everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Sheena. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and let's get straight down into the video. How they do, what go on, what happen, how to do, how things, how life. Yeah, we are gonna talk up the thing. Oh, before we talk up the things, them, my love Zoe. I'm gonna talk to all of over here, so now. Honestly, when I come out here, I'm gonna say big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, especially families. I'm gonna place emphasis on supporters and family. When I say family, me I refer to uno same one because me not have no family over here on my YouTube channel. Probably about two. About two. Reason being them don't know some I have YouTube channel. I don't share my platform with them because of the type of blogging where I do. You understand? Gossip mix up and baga baga. And as me tell no girl, no do baga baga and gossip in a real life. In a real life, my role solo. Me, myself, and I par in a real life. And that's why my channel include me, self, and Agnes. Right. I also want to hear me come out here and say supporters. Me attack support. I mean, I want to not just come over here, come watch my video, watch the ads them like, take part on them something there when me drop the video. I know that's the only support me want. I want people who are going to support me, genuinely. Who are going to be honest with me. Who are not going to be no hypocrite with me. Because in a several video, me tell you no, I want people around me who I got to tell me what I need to hear and not what I want to hear. So if you're not there, I don't see me do something, I must say something. Or not afraid for come and tell me, say, Chin, me never like what you do, me never rate what you do. What you do did wrong. I am open to constructive criticisms, my love. I can't handle constructive criticism. I like when people honest with me. I nah vex with no, I nah drape no up. Anything at all, you see me do out here or here, me say I don't agree with it, I don't feel like me wrong. Once you don't feel like me wrong, you can't tell me. You don't tell me. Me drop my big girl panties, I'm gonna apologize. Me nah go come cuss you, I'm not go drop no shades. And that I'm me in a real life. That is why my circle is tiny. Me no want nobody on my platform where I go be no yes man. Because there is no way nobody on this face of the earth. And all the time we are going to come out here and do and say things what we are going to agree with. We not going to all agree with each other's behavior. We are human, we are going to do things and we are going to say things. We are going to make mistake. We are going to falter. But making the mistake is not the problem and how you deal with it and how you respond to it. Me no want to no sit down over here and see me I say things and I do things over here. So I don't know si say wrong, I don't know sit down and cheer me and no, me not go like enough for that, me we hate enough for that. Me no want a soul cheer me and when me wrong. If me wrong, gonna tell me say me wrong. Me not vex. Me not vex. Me very thick skin. I am not thin skinned. I'm gonna get upset easily. Me not gonna be the type of somebody we want to come agree with me all the time. If you don't agree with me, you don't agree with me. Feel free if you tell me, say, Chin, me not agree with that one. Me not agree with that part there. Chin where you do wrong this, or Chin where you say wrong this. So. As some me want my platform run, me want no comfortable if you can't tell me which part me go wrong and tell me how no feel about it. If you don't feel like drape up my backside. Drape me up till me a tip on me to a pint or no drape me up. Now I come out here and my voice, my opinion about the Mr. Majesty man. And some of you I hide some of you because some of you no manners, some of you no manners, so I hide from my channel. Big up to the ones that my voice, opinion, honest opinion in the comment section. I want to do so respectfully. I don't agree with everything that I said. I have your own opinion, but I disagree respectfully. Now for the ones that want come in and come buff back for me, when me have to hide some of you because no manners, or not come back over here, or don't come back over here. As a matter of fact, I go and get some barbed wire. I go and get some barbed and I go and fence around the whole of my yard and put some, what's the thing name? and put some current on it. Yes, I go and get some baboya and put some current on it. So when I not come here fast, it shock out to no caca hole. So could water. Me could dry out and kin over ground. Tiff tone, you know what. And I go and get two pit bull, two Rottweiler and two Doberman for no caca hole. No do come back over here. No do come back over here. I don't want people like over here. People like I don't want to know here. We don't welcome here. We don't lift up no caca hole and come off fire. Hit the road jacks. There's no way you can associate yourself with somebody and them are going to write for you 24/7s. Then can't wrong, they never wrong. And if them wrong, I don't know what nobody tell them say them wrong. But if it was the other way around, if it was the other way around, if it was the woman, the whole of would have jumped again through it long time. Or even if I did one of the smart them from crossing, so I will always a black boat. When we black boat, them will come over here, go sit down in my comment section. I don't know lap, I don't like nasty fractal. I don't know kiki, I don't know giggle, I don't know go on with no antics. It's sweet, you know. But when I somebody who no claim say no love and support no bex, I wasn't tearing down this man. I give my honest opinion. I gave my honest opinion. I mean, I take it back. I said what I said and I am standing firm by what I said. I don't notice every other thing else where the people them from Trinidad come out with. I don't know you me talk about them there. Me not talk about them because them there enough of my business. Me don't know if I true. Somebody I'm gonna run with something but me don't know if I true. Me talk about what me see. And he was damn disrespectful. I said it already. It was a total disrespect to the lady's brand. Me not take it back. I'm sorry, me not take it back. So anybody else want to live up, hit the road, jacks. Hit the road and don't come back no more. So my loves, I want honest people around me. I don't want no hypocrite around me. Anytime you say me wrong, you drape me up and you tell me say me wrong. You tell me what me need. You tell me what me need for hear and not what me want for hear. You see me do something wrong and come tell me, oh, chin, them jealous of you, them bad mind of you, I like them, I like you. Or don't come tell me that if you don't say me wrong, or don't come tell me say me wrong. Or don't boots me up. Don't boots me up. Don't boots me up in my wrongs. So don't tell me say me wrong. No come tell me say nobody bad mind and jealous and envious. I don't want to hear that. If me damn wrong, me damn wrong. Yes, my love. So moving on, moving on. So make a reason now, my loves. Me have a question to the people them crossing this so. The news reporter lady. Me have a question. Cause uno, you and another bang belly ninja. Uno are the type of people them will come out here and say. Blaggers hungry. Them can't survive without social media money. Bang belly ninja. Call somebody poor and emancipated. But me can't understand uno rich and uno emancipated. Uno no need social media money. Then tell you the mama. How you go so hard? You make it look like you're so desperate, T lady. Eh? T lady, you're out here breaking record. You know what, T lady? When they come to the blogging, you know what, T lady? Yeah, broke record, you know, T lady. And I like no one off thing again, you know what, T lady? You're coming very regular. Very, very regular. Which let me know if you wonder, who are the hungry one them out here? Who are the hungry one them out here? Because at the rate how you're going now, till the, if you like I say, hungry, you're hungry, mom. If you like I say, you're starving. If ever like I say, you're starving, mama. You're past desperate now, you know what, lady. To the point where you know do things now. You know make up story. Make up story, get people to call in. With makeup story, we want to sit down and plot up. And then cause spread propaganda upon people just for the content, just for the money. Because there's no way no sensible somebody I go listen to that live where you do about chocolate and vanilla. I really believe them they tory there. I will not think you a fool. Inti lady. Hard life I reach your tea lady. Hard life I reach you up under your cacao tea lady so. The content is not readily available. Why not just make up some story and come dash out here so make you have content? T-lady, is that what you're doing, ma'am? T-lady, is that what you're doing? T-lady, that is screaming desperation, you know. That is screaming desperation. And somebody sitting them where you say you know till you and to how far you go me have another question. You don't love freedom. Until you know enjoy having that privilege. That liberty where you can go and come as you please. Where you're not restricted. Hmm? That privilege till you to be fortunate enough to breathe in fresh oxygen. Enjoy nice sunlight. Enjoy nature. You know, enjoy them something that till you dey. You know, you prefer shackles. You prefer chains. You prefer bondage. And that you prefer. Hmm? Because the levels where you're going, till lady, the levels where you're going, till lady, you're going to end up somewhere. Till lady is going to end up somewhere when you least expect it. Because you're out here messing with people as well who know the media and you don't know who is who. It look like say you love when it look like say you love here when iron doors and grills are slam. Till lady, you're ramping too rough. Till lady, you're playing too hard. When they say Eagle jackass fall a cane bump ga pound. Eagle jackass fall a cane bump ga pound. For as far as me see right now, if you like I say you retire from baking. No more baking till lady. A full-time blogging me see a go on now, you know. But chocolate and vanilla, ma'am. You see the same way how them claim say at them a feed we as blogger out here. And if them no we no yam. Them say a them pay we bills. All of them send we picking them go to school. Well, chocolate and vanilla. Look at it this way, ma'am. Uno a help them pay them bills right now. Uno feeding them right now. So them coming out here now a true pound on name I have calling live people are calling and I said this and I said that. But guess what? Uno a then daily bread now. Uno a then daily bread. A phone no name them a call for make content, you know. Uno become them daily bread. So the same thing where them ask about we know I hit a go for them. So right about now, chocolate and vanilla, uno helping out the less fortunate. All of them cuss we about out here. They are literally doing the same thing. Now them become needy. Them become needy. Fortunately for some of us, social media is just another source of income. It is just another stream of income. So if the media should crash tomorrow, we will still be surviving because this is just the side hustle. Now me get fi understand me dear that till you the out here a kick up beer rumpus. Beer rumpus, baba. Till you a take on everybody one by one. Yeah. She a take on everybody one by one, two by two. But till you sure you can angle this? You sure you can angle? Till you only out here a set up yourself, you know? You only out here a set up yourself till you sure you can angle it. So basically what I go on now, my love, the heat not really depend on Mr. Majesty man like that anymore. You understand? Because the Kia Smaddy, the Sir Madam, Mrs. Ma'am, he slash the Kia Smaddy came out here and you know she apologized to Kazim. So basically now all of that are quash down, a quash down. She apologized to Kazim, but you know, apologized to Kazim husband, the Mr. Chris man, Mr. Majesty man. But the apology, why? Apology they know we know really too do not know, do not know because guess what? This is social media. Anything you put out there, it is there to stay. All I want to come out here, come put out here, it just a God have a hand Kazim for the rest of him life out here. He don't know what he already he can't take back. Uno might say, yes, we are quash it. But like I said, this is social media, so at some point it will come back up again. So the apology, me don't know if it's about the apology, the damage already done. Are you really sorry, Mrs. Ma'am? Are you sorry so you never do worse? I don't know about the apology, but a bit late, you understand? The apology is a bit late. But the good thing, everything quash down for now. For now, we quash down for now. So Mr. Majesty man no in the hot seat again. So you know now say at the heat when it up out here with Mr. Majesty, you know it get Tlady well active, you know, well active, fully active. So she want maintain that. You understand? She want to maintain that. So, you know, if the heat come off for Chris, why not choose somebody else? And the next best somebody to she is chocolate and vanilla. So, you know, hear all the propaganda them when them are spread about the ladies and, you know, chocolate husband. All kind of thing, which clearly we know say that a make up story. Not no go so. That a sitting where cook up. Nothing what them are say pertaining to that now make no sense. And this is purposely done. For try to bring down chocolate and vanilla. But me just hope, you know, chocolate and vanilla, them not fall for this. Me just hope and pray so them not fall for this and ignore you. Because if them for come out here and try to justify nothing and I try to prove nothing, then them basically a fall for your trap. Because you're out here on a mission, you know. You're out here on a mission. And in order to accomplish that mission, you will go to any levels by any means possible. So chocolate and vanilla are warning, uno don't fall for it. Uno don't fall in a Tlady rat trap. Tlady need content right now. A content Tlady hungry for right now. So always she go come out here and say, oh, your husband a cheat on you. Don't look. Don't look. Because even if something did go so, even if something did go so, you wouldn't be the first and you're certainly not going to be the last. No for we get born. No for we get born. Some of we get back and roast back then cacao. Some left, some sit down and put up with the handball. And that two thing in a life, sure. Born and death. Like I say, uno don't pay them no mind. A content she want, content she want. Content she a use enough for. The lady is in need of some cash right about now. And she working overtime for it. Me never know mother live for see this year dear ya. Me never know say mother live for see this year dear ya. Me think only we alone master love social media money and can't do without it. But till lady ma'am, I want you go. And I want you come. Till lady you go mess with the wrong smaddy. One of these days till lady you're going to mess with the wrong smaddy. I know everybody are gonna have so some out. Cause can't you? Them can't sue you. Nobody can sue you. I know everybody are gonna have so some out and come out and come frighten you with them out. And because you feel like people only are frighten you with them out. When you hear about so and all of them same thing, them not shake you. But what I go drop on you when you least expect it. You see how much somebody are threatening to fling last suit on your backside. You see how much of them are wave over your head. One of these fine days, one I go land right in your head top. One of them, I go land right in your head top, me love. And papa fi neck broke you. As being as you say, them can't sue you, them can't sue you. So when you get it, you go get the shock of your life. It might not be the people them where you expect it from. You understand? It might not be the people them where you expect it from, me love. Because you take people when not depend on social media, people when in a mix up, I take them picture, I put up. So one might just land by your caca hole from somebody when I nothing to do with social media. Yeah, man, one of these fine days somebody I go surprise you. The one them where you think I go drag you in front of the your hand of your highness. And almost them realize you don't have no boundaries, you know, tea lady. No limit. I you know me hear you something and I have a correction for your tea lady. You said that the people them on social media where lady they promote are gonna be her downfall. Correction right there, so tea lady. Lady they not have no fall we fall down, much less we go reach downfall. That me not a downfall out here. Just in case you not realize a elevation and growth, a upgrade the woman say. Where downfall I go. Then you not realize how much the woman out here make use of your opportunity. Where and downfall I go tea lady. Any downfall we a fall out here who know. No call down no downfall pan you man cause she nah no fall a rise she a rise. And even if she promoted platforms out here, she can't tell nobody where to do pan them platform. Hmm? Everybody have a platform for them choice what them want do, what them want put on them platform. So you sit down there pan you behind and wait pan downfall. But people who she promote are gonna be downfall. You sit down there pan your bum me love and wait for downfall because you go sit down until you turn skeleton, my dear child. I tell you the other day me I go tell you again, chicken Mary, heart the near. Everything me all seem like peaches and cream for you now and you're happy and you're going with yourself and you're festive. But you not take nothing for laughter turning at tears. You understand me? So anytime you go along with your antics or anything reach you out here, no blame me. Don't come back to me. Don't tell me if you beg for you. Me not beg for you. You're the on your own. Mm-hmm. Anyways, my loves, anyways, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember, you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch that like button. Show a girl some love, show a girl some support. Peace out, much love. See you later.